Welcome to WaveBot. Today, we'll guide you through setting up your first chatbot step by step. Let's dive right in. To start, log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the WaveBot dashboard. On the dashboard, you will receive a welcome pop-up. Click Get Started. Scroll down a bit, and you'll notice there are no chatbots created yet. Click on Create Chatbot to begin setting up. You're now in the Setup wizard. First, enter the name you'd like for your chatbot. This name will be visible to users, but don't worry. It can be changed later if needed. Once you've named your bot, click Next. Now define your chatbot's behavior. Enter an initial prompt and provide detailed instructions on how you want your bot to interact with users. After filling in these fields, click Next. Next, enter your Gemini API key. If you don't have one, click Create API to get set up. Now, enter the preferred domain where you'll use your chatbot. Remember, each chatbot is limited to one domain, and this cannot be changed later. When you're ready, click Next. On the final page, you'll see a summary of your chatbot's details. Double-check everything, and if it's all correct, click Create Chatbot. And that's it. Your WaveBot chatbot is now ready to go, fully set up and personalized. Thanks for choosing WaveBot. We're excited to support you on your journey to great interactions.